Hi, welcome to this video series of Parts of Speech, Made Simple, by Dr. Victor G. Tevis. In this lesson, we will discuss count nouns and mass nouns.
Count nouns are names of persons, places, or things that can be counted individually. Some examples are 1 boy, 2 babies. Other examples are 1 doctor, 2 nurses.
Here are some examples of name of things. 2 apples, 3 balloons. Here are some examples of names of places. A bedroom, a park. Here are other examples of names of places. A city, a mall. Let's talk about mass nouns, or uncountable nouns.
Mass nouns or uncountable nouns are words that denote things that come in bulk and cannot be counted.
Some examples of mass nouns are coffee, milk, and juice.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of new lessons. Click the subscribe button now. Want to help me create more free courses? How about buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-Fi? Scan the QR code to visit my Ko-Fi page.